Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Carlinkit model and that the dongle is powered properly. This matters because different firmware behaves differently. Once the car is at ACC or on, plug the dongle into the USB port that supports CarPlay or Android Auto. Make sure you've disabled any wired-only mode in the head unit if it conflicts. You do this now so the head unit will detect the dongle as a wireless adapter and proceed with pairing immediately. You next open the head unit's Bluetooth or wireless CarPlay setup and put it into pairing mode. This lets the dongle announce itself. Then, on your phone, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Carlinkit uses both. Then connect to the Carlinkit SSID or accept the Bluetooth pairing request. Once paired, make sure to allow any prompts for contacts and notifications, because those permissions enable full functionality. After a short negotiation, you finish by confirming stable audio, touch response, and app access. This verifies the connection. If things go wrong, update the Carlinkit firmware first because many bugs are fixed there. Once done, reboot the phone, head unit, and dongle. Simple restarts clear many pairing errors. If problems persist, try a factory reset on the dongle and use the vehicle's direct USB port, not a hub or low power charger, since insufficient power or port type often causes disconnections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.